YouTube, what's up? It's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm doing this review on the Andis Slimline Pro Li's. Alright YouTube, I'm gonna open up the box here and just let you guys know what's inside. Obviously I already opened it because you see me do videos, and yeah. But it does come with this Andis instructional booklet here. Then obviously it comes with the Andis Slim Pro Li's. It comes with some oil, get some guards, and you got your duster, clean up the hair. And that's basically all what it comes with. Now let's do a sound test. They say this Slimline Pro Li is best for trimming necklines and light duty touch-ups. Its lithium ion provides up to 2 hours of running time on a single charge. My thoughts on how long it lasts. When you got the charger right next to your station and you're cutting hair, it's so super easy to put it back on your charger in between cuts when you're lining someone up, or either using a different clipper or anything like that. I could basically use this clipper all day without having it die on me, because I simply line someone up, get them out of the chair, the next client comes, I put it back on the charger. I don't line somebody else first. I usually fade their hair and then get back to the lining. This clipper really could last all day, but I would think it lasts for at least 2 hours, but you never want to get your clippers, especially a cordless clipper, to that point. You know what I'm saying? Always throw it back on the charger when you're done. Now when you put this trimmer on the charger, you hook it up, it turns green. Once it turns off, that's when you know it's fully charged. Alright, any minute now it's going to turn off. Trust me, I know. Any second now it's going to turn off here, and we're going to see the results, huh? Alright, it's going to turn off because I just charged it, but we could be here for a while. I don't know how long we're going to be here, but we're going to see something in 5. Oh, okay, alright, there it is. Didn't even need to count to 1, you know, I just 5, 4, 3, 2, it was 5, bam, it's there, alright. Alright YouTube, I'm going to show you guys how well these hit. YouTube, let me tell you a little bit about this clipper. At first, I really didn't like this clipper just because it really wasn't edging up like that. So the first con of these clippers out the box, they're not hitters. I had to adjust these 2 screws on the back, take it off, adjust them, and when I adjusted them, I kid you not, I did this one video where this guy had like a yellow top. It was a high top, he had yellow top. I'm telling you, Akira, which is the barber that's cut next to me, she was like, man, it looked like that line is painted on. And I was like, man, these are dope. I actually took a picture of it, and here's the picture right now. that was the cut that I did with these clippers. This clipper right here is my favorite cordless clipper. I can't really say how long this clipper lasts just because after each client I charge it, but it says it lasts 2 hours. I wouldn't doubt that. It fits nicely in your hands. When you hold this clipper, it's comfortable to cut with. You could really just do a lot of damage with this clipper just because it's like, you know what I'm saying, like you could use it as like you Jet Li or somebody. You could, it's real easy to maneuver around this clipper. But like I said, at first I really didn't like this clipper until I did a cut with him and adjusted him, and then these are my favorite cordless clippers from here on out. But the only cons that I could give you guys to this clipper is that it doesn't hit outside the box, so you really gotta adjust them. But other than that, these clippers are dope. These are the Andis Slimline Pro Li, and yeah, I'll be doing more videos with these. Be on the lookout. Otherwise, you know what I'm saying, you can pick these up on Amazon or eBay. I got mine on Amazon this time. I got it on Amazon because, you know, I really wanted to come in quick. It's your boy 360Jeezy, and this is my review. Stay tuned for more reviews. I'm gonna be doing a lot of clipper cutting tutorials and all that stuff. It's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here. Cheers! They're gonna be like, what the heck? What was that in the background? Who was that? Let me show you guys. I got somebody in here. Guys. It's my brother right here. He's here. He is here. Lightweight dipping on him. You dipping on him. You see him? You don't see him? Ah.